Bitcoin dropped 3% in a single day, closing at $75,398, amid over $400 million in position liquidations. This decline came despite Bitcoin's continued dominance in institutional markets and its role as a store of value. The move signals fragility in market sentiment and highlights how quickly investor confidence can shift. While Bitcoin remains the most liquid and widely adopted cryptocurrency, the recent correction suggests that even top assets are not immune to volatility. Institutional ETF activity, once a source of stability, has weakened in May, with multiple outflow events. These outflows are a key indicator of institutional interest, and their decline could signal a broader cooling in the market. At the same time, Bitcoin's resilience in maintaining its institutional footprint gives it a unique advantage in uncertain times. While Bitcoin's price struggles, Ethereum continues to lag in performance. Despite its dominance in DeFi and smart contract execution, Ethereum has not matched Bitcoin's recent momentum. This divergence raises questions about whether Ethereum's long-term appeal remains intact. The broader market is watching to see if Ethereum can regain traction or if its underperformance will persist. In contrast, Solana has seen a notable inflow of capital into its spot ETF. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Products with over $103 million in May alone. This is a sharp contrast to the outflows seen in Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. The capital movement into Solana suggests growing institutional interest in alternative blockchains and could indicate a shift in investor priorities. Hyperliquid has emerged as a top-performing asset in 2026, driven by strong trading volume in decentralized perpetual futures. The platform's success is tied to its ability to offer a decentralized alternative to traditional futures markets, a niche that is gaining traction. As decentralized finance continues to evolve, Hyperliquid's performance highlights the potential for innovation in derivatives trading. NEAR protocol has also maintained relevance through its connection to the AI blockchain convergence narrative. As interest in artificial intelligence tokens resurges, NEAR's positioning in this space gives it a unique angle. The convergence of AI and blockchain is still in its early stages, but it's already influencing investor sentiment and capital allocation. The performance of NEAR suggests that assets with clear narratives around technological convergence may see continued interest. The broader market is watching several key signals to assess the next bull run. For Bitcoin, the focus is on whether ETF outflows stabilize and institutional support returns. For Ethereum, the challenge is to regain relative performance and demonstrate renewed utility. Solana's ETF inflows indicate a shift in capital allocation, and whether this trend continues will be a critical indicator. Hyperliquid's trading volume and NEAR's AI narrative are both signals of emerging trends in the crypto space. These developments suggest that the next bull run could be driven by a mix of traditional and innovative assets. Investors are monitoring these movements closely, as they could provide insight into the next phase of market dynamics. The uncertainty remains in how long the current correction will persist and whether institutional support. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. We'll return. The next signal to watch is whether ETF inflows stabilize and whether Bitcoin's price can find a new equilibrium. For Ethereum, the key is whether it can regain momentum and show renewed utility in the DeFi space. Solana's ETF inflows could continue to attract institutional capital, and Hyperliquid's trading volume could indicate growing adoption of decentralized futures. NEAR's position in the AI blockchain narrative will also be a factor in whether it maintains relevance and performance. These signals will help shape the next phase of the market and provide insight into which cryptocurrencies are best positioned for growth.